Hey guys, my name is Xiomara and I'm here to show you how I made this delicious, fluffy yellow rice and beans in this Drew Barrymore cooker. Did you get one of these for Christmas? I got mine way before Christmas and I've had time to learn how to use it, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I do to make always perfect, always fluffy yellow rice and beans. Okay, so to make this rice, you're gonna need your 2 cups of rice with 1.5 cup of water is already in here. Your can of beans. I'm using Goya black bean soup because this one already comes seasoned, so I barely use any of these guys, but I just like to have it for a little extra flavor. Garlic powder, sazon completa, tomato sauce, adobo, and a little bit of chicken bouillon. We also do 1 of these and 1 tablespoon of sofrito. I like to freeze my sofrito in these little cubes. It's just easier for me to cook with. All right, so first things first, we're gonna open up our pot here and we're gonna turn this on to the saute feature. And you're gonna press the power button to start it. It's gonna start getting nice and hot. Now that it's getting nice and hot, we're gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil. Add in our 1 cube of frozen sofrito, about half a can of this Goya sauce. We're gonna go in with our full can of Goya bean soup. Get everything in there. Our packet of sazon, about a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. That's all you really need. It just adds a little extra flavor. Little bit of garlic. A little bit of adobo, and you can hear that it's starting to bubble already. And last but not least, we're gonna add sazon completa and we're gonna stir it up. And now we're ready to add in all of our rice and water. We're gonna give that a good stir. After we place the lid on, we turn off the saute feature and we're gonna go all the way to the rice setting. On the rice setting, you have 2 options. There's gonna be option number 1, which is good for white rice, and then you're gonna have option number 2, which is good for brown rice. I like to use number 2 because I use jasmine rice. And we're gonna turn it on. It's gonna cook for as long as it senses that it needs to, usually about 35 minutes or so. When it's done, it's gonna give you 3 beeps. The instruction manual recommends that after you hear those 3 beeps, you're gonna wait 10 minutes before you take this lid off and stir your rice. That's what I do every time, and my rice always comes out perfect. So I'll be right back when this is done cooking. Alrighty, so it did the 3 beeps. I waited 10 minutes. Now it's time to open this up and see what we have. You can already tell that this rice is nice and fluffy. We're gonna give this a good mix. Look at that, perfectly cooked rice every single time.